I'm Hayley from Brevard County Libraries in collaboration with Extension Services. Welcome to our STEAM in the Kitchen series. Today we are going to be making candy corn dough. Here's what you'll need: a bag of candy corn, some powdered sugar, some vegetable oil, a microwave-safe bowl, glass works really well, a measuring cup, some water, a spatula, and measuring spoons. You'll also need adult supervision. Okay, you'll need 2 cups of candy corn. That's where our measuring cup comes in handy. Pour it into your bowl. Then you will need 1 tablespoon of water. I have my water in a bowl here, so I don't have to go to the sink. Pour it in. And then you need 3 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Be careful not to spill. The water and the oil help create our candy corn into a smooth mixture that can become our dough. 1, 2, 3. Now use your spatula and mix it all together. Once you're done mixing, you're going to take your bowl over to the microwave. You're going to microwave your mixture for 30 seconds, then stir. Okay, so my candy corn has been in the microwave for 30 seconds. You want to stir it, and this helps distribute all the heat so that the candy corn melts evenly. And you're going to repeat this process until your candy corn is all melted into a smooth mixture. Now your bowl's going to get hot after being in the microwave so many times, so you want to use oven mitts and have an adult nearby. I'm going to microwave it for 30 more seconds and repeat. Okay, so my candy corn is all melted now into a smooth mixture, and we're going to let that cool for a couple of minutes. It's really, really hot, so be careful. While you're doing that, you need to take some powdered sugar and cover your surface so your dough doesn't stick. I'm using this cutting mat so I don't get it all over the counter, but you have my permission to get messy. So cover it with powdered sugar, and then once our mixture is cool, we're going to pour it on and knead it into a dough. Okay, so our dough has been cooling for a couple of minutes, and we're going to put it onto our powdered sugar surface. It's very sticky. The powdered sugar keeps it from sticking to our hands and sticking to the surface. Okay, so we have the dough all poured out here on our sugared surface. You want to get a little bit of powdered sugar on your hands so that it doesn't stick. Now when you knead the dough, it's like folding it over onto itself and pressing down. You're going to fold and press, fold and press. And you're going to do that a couple of times until it's no longer sticky. So here's our finished dough. So what happened when we were making this dough is states of matter changed. That's our science today. We went from solid candy corn, we melted it in the microwave, and it changed into a liquid. Melting is the term we used when something changes from a solid to a liquid. Then as we let it cool to form our dough, it changed from a liquid back into a solid. We call that freezing, even though we didn't use the freezer. And our end product is a delicious and stretchy dough that tastes like candy corn. So give it a try, but make sure you wash your hands first. So have fun playing and eating your candy corn dough. We'll see you next time on STEAM in the Kitchen.